Hello dear friends. We welcome you to our channel. Today we will present you a review of popular haircuts for women. Please watch the video until the end, and maybe you will find the haircut you need. Was I looking for pictures of the best way to wear short shag haircuts for women right now? Here, you'll see the best short shags for each hair type, age, and lifestyle. I also included some of my best tips on choosing and style a shorter shag. Remember, the biggest advantage is that short shag haircuts are created using the razor cutting technique to create more texture on short hair. Short shaggy haircuts have lots of choppy layers that result in a modern messy hairstyle. This shag became popular in the 1970s by celebrities such as Joan Jett and Mick Jagger. A short shag goes well with textured bangs and for women with narrower face shapes. One of my top styling tips for short shags is that you should work with your natural hair texture. Many women have a hair texture that falls somewhere in between straight and curly. There's no simpler and quicker way to style your tresses than by finding a shaggy haircut and hairstyle that works with your texture rather than against it. Short hair combined with layers is a haircut that can add life, movement, and dimension to a woman's hair. If you have fine or thin hair, then getting a short haircut and layering it will make your hair look fuller and thicker. If you have thick hair, cutting in the right kind of layers can remove bulkiness, which makes your hair easier to style and more free-flowing. When it comes to styling short and layered hair, it's really important to talk with our hairstylist before getting this cut. Depending upon which haircut you choose, your face shape, and hair texture, the styling could require more time and hair products. Before you decide to get this haircut, check out these pictures of some of the best ways to get short layered hair. Screenshot your favorites and show them to your hairstylist. Dear friends, when creating selections, we sincerely wish you beauty and happiness. Let all your dreams come true. Thank you for watching the video review to the end. Thank you for you subscribing to our channel, put like, and sharing the video with friends and family. Click on the bell not to miss new videos. Up to new meetings.